So guys, if you are following a proper CTM routine, a proper CTM routine is a cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and even after following the CTM routine, you are applying a sunscreen on a regular basis. But even after that, apart from this, we all need a proper facial once in a month, that is to be done on a salon or at home. That is totally your preference, guys. So guys, we all need a proper facial to be done once in a month. Although I totally agree with the fact that a salon professional can do the job of doing a facial much better than we ourselves can do. But in case you cannot go to the salon for the facial process, you can do this process at home using any facial kit or using this Bridal Glow facial kit from the Aroma Magic. So here comes the need of a Bridal Glow facial kit for the brides and for the brides to be. This Aroma Magic Bridal Glow facial kit can be very beneficial as they want to look at their best on their big wedding day. So guys, if you are interested, then let's get started. Hey guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. So guys, today I'm going to share my review and demo of this facial kit from Aroma Magic. This one is the Blossom Couture Aroma Magic 7-Step Bridal Glow Facial Kit. This one is the Saloon Range Facial Kit from Aroma Magic. So guys, this facial kit from Aroma Magic has 7 steps in total for the facial to be done, and the steps are face cleanser, exfoliating gel, skin serum, nourishing cream, face pack, hydrating gel, and last but not the least, sunscreen. So guys, this is a combination of 5 facials and I have done 1 facial already and 4 are remaining. The cost of this total of 5 facials is rupees 900, and you can obviously buy a single facial kit for rupees 180 each individually. So guys, this individual kit has 6 sachets and 1 ampule, just like a syringe, and this ampule has serum in it and a separate instruction manual in each sachet. So guys, a total of 5 sachets at rupees 900, and you can obviously buy it in discounts. I bought this, I think 20% off on Nykaa or Amazon, I don't remember that. So guys, this is a very good facial kit to be done at home. I want to mention one more thing here, that the sachets are numbered and you do not need to remember the steps of the facial. You just go by the increasing order of the numbers and just follow this instruction manual, and this is in the Hindi and English both. You can go whatever your preference of the language is and just go by these steps as given here. This is so easy to be done at home. Although I already mentioned that you can do your facial on your own, but you can obviously take the help of your sister, your mother, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, anyone in your family that can help you. Or you can do the facial from the salon personnel also. Aroma Magic is a brand that has the slogan from earth to bottle. It means that it has all of the products made up from the natural ingredients only, and these products are more safer to use than other brands. So the very first step would be the facial cleanser. Before applying this, I have no makeup onto my face, as you can see guys. If you have any makeup on, then do clean it properly by using the oil infused makeup remover, and then wash your face with this facial cleanser. I am going to wet my face first and then I am going to apply this cleanser all over my face and massaging my face for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is how the cleanser looks like. I have wet my face and now I am going to apply this and massaging it all over my face and neck obviously. It has some kind of fragrance due to the lemon peel, orange and some of the essential oils present in it. It removes any makeup left over after the makeup removal. Any dirt or grime due to the pollution is also gets removed, and it also restores the oil balance of the skin. Now as you can see that it's about 2 to 3 minutes that I have massaged with this cleansing step. So now I just need to remove with the damp cotton or damp cloth. So I am going to take a damp cloth, and now I will be meeting you after cleaning that. And as I have removed the cleanser, the second step would be the exfoliating gel. This is how the gel looks like. This is very large in quantity. You can also save it for later use also. Some of the steps have some extra quantity. This much is enough for me for this step. This one is extra. So I am going to take this gel and massaging it all over my face and neck. The fragrance is really pleasing. This is just like a scrub, but it is in the gel form, so it will be quite hydrating for your skin. I just need to leave it as it is for 10 minutes, and then I'll be meeting you after 10 minutes after it gets dried. Now the 10 minutes have been done, and I'm scrubbing it off and massaging for 3 minutes more, as the facial says. Do not apply this under eye area. This is just same as a scrub or exfoliator, but this is in the gel form, so it is so gentle on the skin. It removes any dead skin cells, removes skin impurities, blackheads, removes the fine lines, and gives a silky smooth skin. Now this step has been done, and now I am going to wipe my face with the damp cloth again. Just be gentle while massaging or while wiping your face. Just be gentle while massaging or wiping your face. As you can see that it has eliminated any dirt or grime from my face, and there is a little bit of lightening and brightening effect on my skin also. As you can see that just after applying these two steps, that is cleansing and exfoliating, my skin is looking fresh just after these two steps. And now the third step would be the serum. This is an extra step in this Aroma Magic facial. The serum comes in an ampule just like a syringe, and I just have to remove it. You just need to be extra careful while breaking this ampule, as you can hurt yourself while removing this. So this is in the ampule form. This syringe or this ampule is not to be injected, as Aroma Magic clearly says that this is a cosmetic product and this is a serum, and this is to be used for the face purpose only. This is not for the medical purpose. This is for the face purpose. This is a red mark from where the ampule has to be broken down for the serum to be extracted. We have to use our finger and thumb in the back and forth motion, and it will just break down from here. It is the neck of the ampule. You just need to be extra careful while breaking it. So I am using a cloth for breaking it. Just so the ampule breaks from here. The serum is also in the large quantity. I will need just less than the half serum for massaging all over my face. And now I am going to take this serum. Just this one is enough. So now I am going to apply this all over my face and neck, and also the under eye area, and I am going to leave this as it is for 3 minutes. The serum is also having a pleasing smell due to the apricot, carrot and jasmine present in the serum, and it also reduces the fine lines, wrinkles, and it also restores the youthfulness of the skin. Now after the 3 minutes, the next step would be the nourishing cream. I need to apply this all over my face and neck, and without wiping off the serum. Guys, remember that you need not wipe off the serum. Also, this is again in very large quantity, so I just need even less than half amount. So I guess This much is enough for me. So I'm going to massage this all over my face and neck, and this can also be applied on the under eye area. Now I am going to leave this as it is for the next 15 minutes, and I'll be meeting you after the 15 minutes after it gets dried out. So this nourishing cream is also having some kind of pleasing smell, but not so overpowering, just like the serum itself. And it has the extracts of jasmine, rosemary and vitamin A, C, E and some of the essential oils present in it, and due to that the smell is coming here. And now I am going to wipe this off with the damp cloth also. And this cream hydrates the skin, restores the oil balance of the skin and gives the youthful skin and makes the skin glowy and fresh after applying this cream. And now coming to the next step, the next step would be a combination of these two steps, 5th and 6th. The steps would be a face pack and a hydrating gel. We need to give a good mix of these two packets and then applying it all over my face and neck. This is how the pack looks like, and this is how the gel is kind of green in color, light green, and the pack is in white. I need to mix them both and apply this all over my face and neck again. The combination of face pack and gel both helps in slowing down the aging process, helps in lightening and brightening of the skin. Although every step is helping in the lightening and the brightening effect, but the face pack and gel gives the most benefits. This face pack and the hydrating gel both has the extracts of rosemary, lavender, essential oils, clove, aloe vera, orange peel, lotus and so many more. So it will give you all the benefits of these of the ingredients. The gel revitalizes and hydrates the skin, and it also reduces the skin irritation. It makes your skin so soft and supple after the application of this hydrating gel and the face pack on your skin. So now I am going to wipe this off with a damp cloth. And now comes the last and the 7th step. It would be the application of the sunscreen, and it provides the broad full spectrum protection against the harmful UVA, UVB rays, and by combining the natural sun blocking agents with the sunscreens, it also helps in reducing the tanning of the skin. And I just need to apply this all over my face and neck just like any other sunscreen. It has lemon, aloe vera, green tea, cucumber, lavender, and it protects the skin against the harmful sun damage. It reduces the skin tanning, pigmentation, and Aroma Magic says that it is a full spectrum sunscreen, so we can assume that it has SPF 20 to 30 at least present in the sunscreen. So guys, as you can see that my skin is looking much more refreshed. It has some lightening effect onto the skin. And so guys, that was my review about this facial kit from the Aroma Magic. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.